Weather forecast in New York accent?
It took me years to get rid of this. I really don't want it back.
I worked hard on it myself.
People often would say, "You're not really from New York, though, are you?" Well, yes. But when you're amongst friends and your buddies, it comes out again. All right, we're in the low 50s. The chilly air is in place. It's only 49 degrees right now in White Plains, 49 in Montgomery, low 50s across Long Island. Pretty much where we've been stuck all day. Strong easterly wind. We've had some on again, off again, light rain, drizzle in between. The clouds have been with us throughout. The rain has not been the big story so far. The chilly temperatures have, but the rain will become a bigger story later tonight and certainly during the first part of the day tomorrow. Low pressure sitting out to the west is going to transfer its energy to a new storm. It's going to form off the coast. That's going to throw more moisture back our way. And you can see it on our futurecast, just lighter rain and showers around up until about 10, 11 o'clock. Not a big deal, but if you're heading out, umbrellas needed. Temps holding steady. By 3 a.m. to 3 a.m., you start to see this area of brighter yellow showing up and some oranges. That's moderate to maybe even briefly heavy rain in spots. And notice 8 a.m., we're all in it. So tomorrow morning's commute, no matter where you go, is going to be a mess. There'll be some ponding of water on the roadways. And that continues until about 2, 3 in the afternoon and then starts to come to an end during the evening hours, just in the form of showers. The heavy stuff does finally lift off toward the north and east. But notice the clouds, they're going to linger through Friday and still could be a couple of stray showers around. A good portion of Friday, I think, it's not raining. And that's going to be the trend as we get deeper into the weekend. Less of a chance of rain, a little more sun, and a little more warmth. Okay, periods of rain overnight tonight, during the day tomorrow, wet and windy. And then things settle down somewhat to just a couple of leftover showers on Friday. So we're looking at 49, the low tonight. As I said, the steadiest and heaviest rain well after midnight. 62 Friday, but 64 Saturday. A lot of clouds still around. It gets better Sunday, near 70, and then into the lower 70s on Monday, Memorial Day. Another chance of rain coming our way Tuesday into Wednesday with temperatures in the upper 60s and the low 70s. But the bulk of the weekend, looking good.
This Pix 11 weather report was presented by Spectrum.